status group. This is useful to assign in the FS00. I think you know how to create field status groups. I hope you know this step. After creating that, you have to go to accounting assignments, additional account assignments, and then we should keep here our central cost center and COPP order must be kept in required fields, required entry, these two, for getting reports by cost center and internal order. Next, with that field status group, we must create our ledgers. First, go through traveling expense. See, here we must give short key cost center 008. See here, we must assign this cost field status group in the create and bank interest tab G002, which we have created in the OBC4. I think you know how to create the field status group. I hope you know it. And in the same way, we should create remaining GLs also, which I have shown you in the above. After that, we must go to number range in the K and K. For orders, just click on groups. There we can see our order, which we have created in the order type W1, Walmart statistical order. We have created now in the order type. Just select it on and click on element group, CL element group. Click on motor pool ZZ external. We can take any one of these fields. These we can take out of these fields. We can select anything. You should double click on it. I have take external. Double click on it. Save. Create order type or order master, internal order. All are the same. This is the master, you know. So we must for this for creating this, we should internal order. We must go to KO01. Here our order type W1. Click on master data. See here W1 MKT, our order number. This is the important to assign this in the cost centers. In the assignment fields, we have to give our company code and object classes overheads. Click on control data tab. Next. In the control data, we no need to do anything here because it is not real order. If it is real order, we should create settlement rule here. I will show you after when I go to show you configurations of real order. Due to this is statistical order because we must click on it and then save. After creating the internal order, we can go to post the entry FB50. You must post the entry in the FB50 by using travel expense, document expense, other cost, which we have created in the FS00 with our field status group. See here, we can observe how we entered here. Here, see traveling expense and numbers 15, 18, 15, 19, 15, 20. Traveling expense, document expense, and other costs 4,500, 2,000, and 1,000. See, observe here the amounts 4,500 and 2,000 and 1,000. And we will give here cost centers. W202 is our admin cost centers, and it is our internal order which we have created in the internal order type W1MKT. After posting data, we can go to display document. There we can see our cost center and order type. For this cost center, we can assign all the GLs to this cost center. See, if you run the report in KSB1 cost center report, you can see there. My cost center is W202. We can see the reports by cost center wise. See, here traveling expense, document expense, and other costs. Besides these documents, salary and office rent also is there because it is cost center. That's why we can see here two more fields, two more GLs are there, salary and office rent. But when you go for internal order in the KO B1, if you run this, you can see only this is the path. See, order W1MKT. After run the T code W1M, we have to give our internal order. There we can see only traveling expense and document expense, other costs 7,500. I think you know. I think you understood the difference between the cost center report and internal order report. In internal order report, total our client visit expenses are 7,500 rupees. You can run the report like this, but in the statistical order, we can see only the information here. We cannot do any allocations. This is only for the information based. You can see only information only here. We cannot do any allocations here. In the real order, we can see this is. You can say we can call this cost center as dummy cost center. Dummy cost centers are used in statistical order. We can repost. We can repost the cost centers also here. Sorry, I don't want to show you this.